Good morning, dear students. It's your first period of computer science. In continuation of chapter 5, that is viewing presentations in OpenOffice Impress open source. In last period, we have been discussed about the presentation views. First, normal view, and second, side shorter view. Now today we are going to the next two views, that is notes view and slideshow view. First, notes view. In this view, presenter can add some notes on the slides for his or her reference. These notes will not be visible to the audience during the slideshow. We can take printout of these notes and can refer to them while giving a presentation. Now, steps to switch over to notes view are as follows. Click on view in the menu bar, then click on notes page. You will get the following display as shown in this picture. Or you can click on the tab titled Notes present on the view panel as shown in the given diagram. A rectangular text box will appear below the slide as shown below, which can be used to write any text related to this slide for the future reference. This text will not be displayed to the audience during the slideshow. The presenter can comfortably refer to this text at the time of presentation. In this way, notes view can be used. Now next, slideshow view. This view is used to deliver or to show the presentation to the audience. In this view, individual slides of the presentation will appear one by one in full screen mode. In this view, we see our presentation exactly in the same way in which the audience will view the presentation. This helps in by two ways. Number one, checking and arranging the slides. Number two, checking how the text graphics, sound or narration and effect of individual slides and whole presentation will appear during the actual presentation. We can exit slideshow view by pressing the escape key to come back to the normal view or for further modification if required. Few page options are given as to start slideshow. We can use any one of the following option to start the slideshow. As option 1, click on view menu and then click on slideshow. It is the first option. Now the second option is click on slideshow menu item and then click on slideshow. Option third, click on slideshow option present on the toolbar. Option 4, press F5 and individual slides will start appearing one by one in full screen mode on the screen as shown in this picture. We can use down arrow key to go to the next slide and up arrow key to move to the previous slide. I repeated. We can use down arrow key to go to the next slide and up arrow key to move to the previous slide. At the end, on the black screen, following messages will display. Click to exit the presentation as shown below. Click anywhere on the black screen to come back to the normal mode. In this way, this chapter has been completed. I hope all the students understand all the 4 views: normal view, slide shorter view, notes view and slideshow view. Student, if you have computer or laptop at your home, try on these options. Thank you and have a nice day.